If you have a Blink camera and you want to install it inside your house or maybe on your patio or somewhere, and you just want a simple solution to install it, you can buy mounts and all that other stuff. And if you guys been watching my videos, I believe in the command strips. I hang everything with this. I've had things hanging for 5 or 6 years. It seems like it gets stronger the longer it sits there. But I'm gonna show you how to use this command strip to just mount your Blink door camera or your Ring camera. Only thing you need to do is just get this command strip. And you see, I got the command strip. And it's real simple to do. Just peel this off. A matter of fact, I go ahead and put these two together like this. Watch. I go ahead and put them together. As you can see, I already got those together. And what I do is just peel this layer off, turn this over, and you can just mount it. Stick it right there. See how I got that stuck? And you can get bigger of these mounts, these M3 command strips. You can get bigger ones or smaller ones. And once I got that stuck on the back, it's on there solid. I just peel this part off right here. And I mount it wherever I want. So if I want it right here, I just go ahead and just make sure it's level across here and just stick it on there. It's not going nowhere. Just stick it on there. There you go. I may got it crooked, but anyway, there you go. So that's a simple way to mount your door camera. So if you need to change the battery, like I said, it has this little thing here at the bottom. You just push it in. And you see I use the knife, but they got a little key. You just push this little thing in and it snaps. So if you need to change the battery, you can take it off right there, pull that off, put you some new batteries in. Once you got your new batteries, put that back on, snaps into place, come right here, put that on, come under here, push it in, and you're done. So there you go. That's an easy way to set up your Blink camera. And I'm gonna zoom in and just show you. So this is using 3M command strips. It's that simple. And you can put these in your house, on your patio. Now, if you're putting it on outside, somebody could probably just jerk it off. But if they want to take it off anyway, they can get it. But it will stay there. It's not going nowhere. All right. Thanks for watching and subscribe to my channel and have a great day.